Good evening. In the last week, we saw temperatures down to -9 to the south of the UK, as high as +16 to the northeast across Aberdeenshire. We are going to even things out considerably through the week ahead, losing those temperature contrasts because partly we're going to have such a windy week ahead that's mixing up the air a lot more, and it will limit our chance of seeing frosts develop. It's been pretty windy to the north of the UK throughout the day today, thanks to this area of low pressure, and the winds will remain keen overnight tonight. We're going to see a weak weather front sinking south across England and Wales, some thicker clouds, some patchy outbreaks of rain and drizzle for a time before it clears to the south, further showers feeding into Scotland on the northwesterly wind. But as the cloud clears, we don't develop a widespread frost because of the presence of that wind. And through Monday, well, a breezy start, yes, but the wind eases back a little. There should be a lot of sunshine around, and our temperatures much closer to average values for the time of year than many of us saw last week, so it should actually feel relatively pleasant. But look towards the west and you can see some clouds starting to nudge into Northern Ireland by Monday afternoon. And that's the first signs of this set of fronts starting to head in, tied in with this area of low pressure. That's going to be a big feature for us on Tuesday. First thing Tuesday, perhaps skies just clear enough to the far southeast with a lighter breeze to see a little bit of early frost. But then we'll see a weak weather front sinking south. A lot of sunshine on Tuesday across England and Wales. Further north though, it's widespread gales for Scotland. Frequent showers, wintry across the higher ground, and a chillier feel, just 7 degrees there in Aberdeen. Bear in mind we had 16 here in the week just gone. That low to the north though looking particularly troublesome at the moment, Tuesday evening into the early hours of Wednesday, when we could see severe gales to the far north of the UK, the risk of damaging winds. On a positive note, that low centre does head off towards Scandinavia quite promptly on Wednesday. We're left with a northwesterly airstream. There will be further showers for Scotland and some more persistent rain later on in the day, starting to push its way into Northern Ireland and the northwest of England. Quite a lot of cloud as well as this warm front edges in. Temperatures now still a little lower for Stornoway and Aberdeen at 7 degrees on Wednesday. Further south, we're looking at double figures, 11 in Cardiff and London. In comes that warm front overnight Wednesday into Thursday. The clue is in the name, of course. It's going to be pulling in warmer air from quite a way south in the Atlantic. So for Thursday, temperatures looking pretty healthy, but there will be a lot of moisture in the air, so that means a lot of cloud around, drizzly rain across many of our hills and for some of our western coasts, but up to 10 degrees by then in Aberdeen. Could get some sunshine across eastern Scotland thanks to the hills. To the south, we're looking at highs of 11 or 12. And then for Friday, high pressure pushing up from the south of the UK should mean actually the lightest possibly of our winds across the board through this week ahead, and a lot of fine weather, 1 or 2 stray showers continuing for western Scotland, but temperatures 11-12 degrees, a little above average actually for Scotland. So for the week ahead, not that much in the way of rainfall to come across England and Wales. Some areas likely to see hardly anything. Some showers for the northwest of England and for Wales, perhaps totting up to 10 millimetres in total. Heaviest rain, most frequent showers across western Scotland. We could be looking at around 75 mils across parts of the Highlands. The week ahead then, we're back to more average temperatures. We lose those extreme frosts that we saw last week. Quite wet at times for western Scotland and across Northern Ireland, but a lot of fine weather to come for England and Wales as we start the month of February.